New iPhone set to get this Android feature you'll love. Apple looks set to ditch its Lightning port on the iPhone X in favor of USB-C found in Android phones like the OnePlus 6. Apple's Lightning connector port may be ditched in favor of USB-C in the future iPhone X. Apple has stuck to its proprietary Lightning port connector for its iPhones for years, but it looks like the popular USB-C system will replace that soon. According to supply chain sources, Apple is currently looking into the new connector for its future iPhones but not for this year. The new USB-C iPhone may not appear until 2019 according to these sources. Previous leaks have suggested that Apple will begin shipping its new 2018 iPhones with USB-C chargers and USB-C to Lightning cables in the box. The idea is to give customers a fast-charging phone at purchase. The current iPhone X can fast charge but requires owners to buy the faster charging adapter and cable separately. Apple uses USB-C ports on its MacBook laptops already with a smaller charger than was previously required using the Lightning port. Unifying power sources across devices makes sense for Apple. That way owners of multiple Apple products will only need to carry one charger when out. The rumored 8.W fast charger for this year's iPhone likely won't double as a MacBook charger as the laptop requires more power to run. Vice versa, the MacBook charger will likely be too powerful for the iPhone to handle. There is a chance Apple will work its tech wizardry to create universal charging soon, but it seems more likely this will come later, if at all. This USB-C charging option will, likely, save money for Apple since lots of other manufacturers are already using this tech, which should have pushed manufacturing costs down. While USB-C may not appear in the iPhone until 2019, there are plenty of extras expected in this year's new iPhone lineup for 2018. Apple is expected to launch 3 new iPhone X models and 1 new iPhone SE 2. There should be a new 5.8-inch iPhone X to replace the current model with faster innards and that new fast charger. There is also expected to be a larger iPhone X Plus with 6.5-inch screen plus an affordable iPhone X with 6.1-inch screen. The iPhone SE 2 should be the most affordable and smallest screen option, but may also cram in an edge-to-edge notch display like the iPhone X, meaning it can stay small but increase screen size. Apple is expected to launch its new iPhones for 2018 in September.